in 5 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 4 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 3 seconds. Block Wars CTF is starting in 2 seconds. Plus BBIC 8422 joined your game, 7/10. Block Wars CTF is starting in 1 second. Plus Clark Learius joined your game, 8/10. Let the games begin. Selected no modifier. 0 votes. 3 of 10. 1 of 10. 1 of 10. 1 of 10. 3 of 10. 1 of 10. Dark Craper 2431 was slain by Crimson 3856. 1 of 10. You die. Player view. 1 of 10. BURGIR 1562 was slain by MPTHKU. BBIC 8422 thought they could survive in the void. 1 of 10. 1 of 10. Lion YT4847 was slain by BBIC 8422. BBIC 8422 thought they could survive in the void. Birnikoyong 854 thought they could survive in the void. Crimson 3856 was slain by Dark Craper 2431. MPTHKU died in the void while escaping BURGIR 1562. Clark Learius was slain by KM130604. BURGIR 1562 thought they could survive in the void. Crimson 3856 thought they could survive in the void. Sinzi Tuba 738525 thought they could survive in the void. Birnikoyong 854 died in the void. BBIC 8422 died in the void. Clark Learius thought they could survive in the void while escaping BURGIR 1562. Lion YT4847 was slain by BURGIR 1562. MPTHKU thought they could survive in the void while escaping BURGIR 1562. Sinzi Tuba 738525 died in the void. Clark Learius died in the void. Crimson 3856 died in the void while escaping BURGIR 1562. Dark Craper 2431 was slain by MPTHKU. Lion YT4847 thought they could survive in the void while escaping Dark Craper 2431. Birnikoyong 854 thought you died. Player 9 of 10. 9 of 10. 9 of 10. 9. Dark Craper 2431 thought they could survive in the void while escaping MPTHKU. KM130604 thought they could survive in the void while escaping MPTHKU. Crimson 3856 died in the void. BURGIR 1562 was sniped by MPTHKU. BBIC 8422 was slain by Lion YT4847. BURG 4 of 10. Dark Craper 2431 was slain by Lion YT4847. Follow our Twitter. At CoopCraft Games, we host giveaways, post teasers and show off our updates. 4 of Crimson 3856 thought they could survive in the void while escaping BURGIR 1562. Birnikoyong 854 thought they could survive in the void. KM130604 died in the void while escaping Crimson 3856. Dark Craper 2431 thought they could survive in the void while escaping MPTHKU. Lion YT4847 was slain by BURGIR 1562. BURGIR 1562 died in the void while escaping Crimson 3856. Clark Learius died in the void. Lion YT4847 died in the void. Birnikoyong 854 thought they could survive in the void. 4 of 10. Dark Craper 2431